In today's video, I'm going to be decorating my great room for spring using some soft pastels. Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures, and if this is your first time visiting the channel, I would love to welcome you. I hope you enjoyed today's video and return as a family member. Now let's do some quick DIYs. Okay, so I have this little budding family that I got from Home Goods probably a couple of years ago. The price is $7.99. It's a little blurry. And one of these Dollar Tree candle holders. So what I want to do is make this taller. Then I am going to attach this. $99. I thrifted these from Goodwill some time ago. So I'm gonna use just a little bit. Oh, look how pretty those are, and the colors that I'm using this year, the lavender, the light pastel colors. Truly hate to cut my stems. I prefer to bend them and zip tie them on so that I can use them on another occasion. So let me get that around there and I'll be right back. In my canisters, I am going to use this Easter grass. And atop the Easter grass, I'm going to use some more of those curved pastel egg stems. And then I'm coming in with a pretty glass egg that I picked up at Home Goods some time ago. Wanted to show you these beautiful pillows that I picked up at Home Goods on clearance. Yes, $12. Hello, I hope you're seeing that. Can you see the price there? Yay. So, and they're a nice big size. And I also have in my stash, still in moving packets, but it's better to keep them in space bags. This beautiful throw. It says Moss and Willow. I'm not sure if that's a Target brand or where I might have got it. I'm sorry, don't have a link for you. I hope you enjoyed today's Spring Decorate with me and tour of the Great Room, and that it gave you inspiration to start decorating your home for spring. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give me a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. Honey, it's free, it's quick, and it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Coming up on April 9th, Andrea Mason of the Queen's Court will be joining us for Tablescape Tuesdays. So please be sure to tune in for that. You're going to love her just as much as we do. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.